There are various different objective identifications that we have to do when we are going for visual design. Some of the identifications are comparison. Objective of comparison is to understand how it compares and evaluates value between two or more data points. Comparison helps to find the highest and lowest data very easily, and a comparison also can be used to show trends. Identify where in your story comparison fits. Second is distribution. A distribution combines both comparison and composition. In other words, it helps us if there is any correlation, a pattern, trend, cluster, outlier, or averages. Third important objective is relations or relationship. It shows a relationship, correlation, or connection between two or more variables. You have to go and identify the right relationship chart that shows correlation, trends, patterns, clusters, and outliers. Final objective identification is composition. It shows how a variable is made up of individual observations and what contribution of each observation is. Composition charts are the best fit to show market share and top-end analysis. Now let's try to do a comparison of charts depending on they fit into what family, whether they are from comparison, relationship, or distribution. Some of the charts which we can see here are variable width column chart. It's a bar chart where column width are scaled such that the total width matches the desired chart width and there are no gaps between columns. This chart can be used for tracking the values of two different variables for each category in data. Second is table with embedded charts. It is a chart that is placed on a worksheet rather than on a separate chart sheet. Embedded charts are beneficial when you want to view or print a chart, or even you want to have a pivot chart report with its data source or other information present in the worksheet. Bar chart. Horizontal bar chart is a bar chart with rectangular bars with length proportional to the value that they represent. One axis of the chart shows the specific categories being compared and the other axis represents a discrete value. Circular area chart. It's another version of line chart, but yes, it is with filled area. Then we have line chart. It is also called as line graph and it's a type of chart which displays information as a series of data points called markers connected by straight line segments. It is a basic type of chart common in many different fields. Then we have bar chart vertical, which can be compared with bar chart